Hello and welcome back to Beidat IT training. So in this module about AI, we'll talk about AI, API automation and prompt as a service. Some of these may be advanced, but just wanted to give you an idea. Right. So these are like some questions, some prompts that we can say: post to OpenAI, summarize this email to into three bullet points and add an action item. With automation, and then another prompt. Maybe we'll run a couple of these. Okay. Summarize this email into 3 bullet points and add an action item. So what's the email? Hello, Tyrone. Your resume is good, but needs improvement on things like how much technical things you have done, how many programming codes projects you have done, and how good of a communicator. I'm just writing it, and then you ask it to rewrite it for you. Summarize this email into 3 bullet points and add an action item to improve on, let's say, AI author or something like that. Just throwing something out there. And then instead of just summarize, I'll say rewrite. Okay. So summarize the email thread. So this one is generally strong but lacks specific technical skills. It should include the number and scope of program project completed, communication skills need. Right, action item provides the resume to add concrete examples of technical work. So it kind of cleans it up. Anytime I write an email, actually 90% of the time, I use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to rewrite my emails for me. Okay. So like this one, we can run. We have seen something similar earlier. Let's just run this as it is. Okay. Build a prompt that takes a resume and returns improved bullet points using style format. So you're a career coach and a resume expert. I will provide you with a resume. Would you like a version of this prompt customized for a specific job role? And then I can say, yes, I can follow it up. I'll say cloud architect. You're a resume expert and career coach with a deep knowledge of cloud computing. I'll provide a resume for cloud. Right, there you have it. Want me to test this with a sample resume snippet? Yes. Yeah. And by the way, I can go back to the previous prompt. Where is it? See this prompt right here? And say, I think you might like the next one I'm thinking about. I do use it sometimes. So if I go back right and summarize this, right? Summarize this email thread using, let's say, 48 laws of power. Okay. And let's see how it takes it. So it tells you the laws that you will use. Law 6, court attention at all costs. Law 30, make your accomplishments seem effortless. Law 34, be loyal and be royal in your own fashion. Now let's look at it. Revise your resume to qualify your technical achievements. List specific programming projects and include examples that demonstrate a strong communication, such as mentoring, leading meeting, or giving presentations. Yes. It's asking me if I want to turn that into a resume. It's asking me if I should upload a resume. Let's see if I can drag and drop that resume that we had. Maybe we can use it here. Let's grab the actual prompt from here. And there was I. Is it here? Right here. Here, instead of low 6, it's using low 8, low 28, right? Make others come to you. Low 28, enter action with boldness, discover each. So now here, to improve your resume as an AI author, include specific metrics. It's kind of better here, right? Detail. This will strengthen your perceived value and align with the principles of power and outline. Apply this to my resume. Let's see, it will ask for the resume. I think we have uploaded the resume here earlier, right? Let's see that. Technical skills, Python. Look at this. Just amazing. So again, this is an amazing tool that you can use. Very powerful technology, right? So you can automate workflows, build tools powered by prompts, learn real world integrations with business apps. I hope you benefited from this course and you will be a power user moving forward. And I really appreciate you sticking around and going through and practicing along with me the different technologies that are available. All right, so again, you have a choice to use ChatGPT, Quinn, DeepSeek, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and so forth. Before I finish, I just wanted to show you Gamma. Gamma is another app, AI app that you can use. You can paste a text or you can generate, what do you call, a presentation. I can say, write presentation about AI for new students in computer science. Just wanted to throw this out. It generates the PowerPoint. And I can say, you know what, generate it for me. Looks good. It generates the images that you need. It generates the text. I mean, look at that. Okay, so I didn't want to forget this. Gamma app is another one that you can use. Again, there are so many tools that are out there. So please do take advantage of them and use it in every area. You see that? The whole presentation is generated with the images organized. Okay. So I wanted to make sure that you're not missing anything by the time you finish this training. All right. And you can always download, you can say present the presentation. And there you have it. Getting started with AI. All right. All right. Thank you. And good luck with your future studies.